Hello TJACE students, and welcome to another Zoom video. In this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can share your screen as a student and the things that you can do while sharing your screen with your teacher or with your classmates. So looking down at the bar where we find all of our little features for Zoom, the share screen one is easy to find because it is a different color from all your other feature icons, and it basically says share screen. So let's say that you're in class and you have a question about something that you're looking at or reading. Maybe it's in Canvas on your computer and you don't understand it, and your teacher says, well, share your screen with me and show me what you're seeing. This is what you would use, and this is what happens when you share your screen. You click share screen and you get a selection of what you want to share. So you can share just anything that's on your screen. You could maybe share the whiteboard. So let's say you're trying to work out a math problem. You might pull up the whiteboard and say, hey, this is the problem and this is how I'm trying to solve it. If you're on your iPhone or your iPad, you have the option to share that. You can share a specific page that's on your screen, and that's all the teacher will see. But for purposes right now, I'm just going to share my screen. So once I share the screen, now the teacher can see anything that I have opened on my computer. And right now I'm in my Zoom feature that's in Canvas that I'm using to record. But I could go to the applications and I could maybe go into my Canvas course. And I'm going to pull up a course that we used that I was working with last year, the 4 Work course. And I could click on that and I could go and look at the assignments, and so I say, oh, I'm confused about, let's see if I can find an activity that I would be confused about. I'm confused about using North Star. Can you tell me how these links work? I'm having trouble using them. And then the teacher could say, well, click on the link and, you know, what's happening with your link. And so, well, I'm not sure where to go to find the skills. And so the teacher will say, well, see that where it says build skills, go to the see more. And then we get there and I'm like, yeah, but I've passed all of these. I don't know where to find the other resources to pass my other North Star stuff. And then the teacher will say, well, look for view other resources. And so the teacher can direct you through all the stuff. Now, if you're still having problems and you're just not sure, I don't know what you mean when I say I need to click here, I can't find it. You can come down to your controls down here for your share screen, and you can press this remote control. When you press that, you are going to give your mouse and keyboard control to the teacher. All right, so when you click on that, when you click on the person you want to share, so now let me see. Control. Yeah, so now I can actually come on my computer. Well, it's not working. Rebecca Payton can control your screen. Well, I'm trying to control your screen, but it doesn't seem to be working. And there, yep, I am controlling it. So you can see that I came down here with the remote control, found the link, and I'm not using my mouse on my computer. I'm using the computer that I'm hosting from, this computer right here, to move the mouse cursor around. So if you're really confused and you're not sure where you go, you can give the remote control over to your teacher, and then they can find it, and they can click on it for you, and then say, so, you know, Which one are you working on? Oh, you're working on Microsoft Excel. Well, here's where the resources are to start practicing for that. And watch this. I now have, oops, I should be able to, oh no, I guess I'm not able to move that. I can click on it, but I can't. So, and I wonder if I could even click on the stop share. Maybe not. So the thing that is that you still have access. So you don't lose the access either. But your teacher's also going to have access. And when you're ready to take that access back, you can click on the remote controlled icon and just say stop remote control. And then you give it up. But there you go. Sharing your screen. All right, and then when you're ready to stop sharing, you can click stop share. And notice again, when you're sharing your screen, I'm going to go back to sharing the screen. Notice you have the annotate feature in here as well. But while you're sharing your screen, other people will probably have the annotate feature. So I'm going from the computer that I'm hosting with, I'm gonna choose a couple stamps to put on your screen. Easy. And now okay. So you have the ability to add any annotations to your screen. You know, what's meant by external resources, teacher? Tell me about that. And then the people that you're sharing your screen with, they have the ability to put things on your screen. All right, we'll close the annotate. We'll stop share. So there you go. If your teacher asks you to share your screen while you're in class, there's where you'll find the share screen, and you can share whatever you need with your teacher or with your classmates. You can even usually use this share screen feature when you're in breakout rooms as well. There might be times when your teacher might turn off this feature, but most times it's there and it's available for you. So there you go. There's the information about sharing screens. In the next video, I'm going to talk to you about polling.